Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's. I suppose I'll put this in tips and tricks. So 2.2, playing with this at the moment, had a fouling issue. Where are we? Let's see if we can get some light on the subject properly. There you go. So we have about 2 mil of clearance. About 60 is all you need, about 60 thou, 1.5, 2 mil. Right, so we've got about 2, maybe 2.5 mil in there now, which is perfect. That'll be fine. Right, so we have a rod in, piston in, just checking for clearance, and it's the only issue that we have clearance issues. That's the only spot. Now, M3 rod, it's actually an M88 rod, M3 crank with an M10 snout. This crank was, I'd actually purchased this crank from a well-known guy in the BMW community that had in his engine. I bought this with a set of polished rods and it was all machined and stuff. This crank came with a dead thrust. Now, I didn't know the thrust was dead. He'd sold it to me for good dollars probably 8 years ago. I don't deal with this guy anymore. He's in New South Wales. He was a lovely guy. I actually went and stayed at his house and all sorts of stuff. All right? But the crank ended up having a dead thrust and I couldn't get any bearings for it, so I had to have the thrust welded and then ground. And this is a happy engine. It's happy, happy, happy. Oh, yeah. If you know what they're out of, you know what I've done. If you don't know what they're out of, see if you can find what I pulled these pistons out of. Yeah, it's 2.2. So this is going to have it'll have a 1-to-1 head on it. It should be low to mid 9s in the compression ratio. Nice. And yeah, it just shows my my emotions for the day, happy and smiley. Yeah. Now you want to see something really cool? This arrived today. This took a little bit of making. Race Series Ross balancer for the other 2.2. This goes on a turbo 2.2 we're building that should spin to 7,800 and make 400 to 500 horsepower. That one's going on a full tilt one. So that's going on a full build. Fun fact, same pistons. Nice. It'll be a happy engine too. There's always something cool going on. So today I'm putting the bottom together. Crank clearances are all done, come between 2 and 2.5 thou for the mains. I'll do the rods. The rods should come out at about 1.5, 1.75, somewhere around there. They usually come just around the 1.5 thou. And it's ACL Race Series bearings on the rods, on the big ends, and on the mains. We've used some glycos, just because you can't get good bearings for the mains on an M10 S14 or on an M88 S38. So that would be something nice for ACL Race Series to make, would be some nice bearings for us. But yeah, happy days. Happy, happy, happy. I hope you all have a lovely day.